Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. This is a DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about what is model. Basically, we are going to see about the basics of model and how you can use. Before that, I'm making lot of videos with effort for the DevOps tools and services you to understand from the scratch. So I hope these videos are helpful. If you found these videos are helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel. It will be encourage me to make lot of videos. Let's dive into today topic. So let's see what is a model. So model is like a container. So you can consider or you can imagine like that. So there are like a single directory. You are going to reuse that particular directory for multiple times. The directory can be contained like a .tf files, so it is can be organized, and it is you are going to reuse that configuration. For that, you are going to reuse that particular directory. Basically, that is called a model. So you have one sample file. Basically, that is the single directory that you are going to use for different environment based on your need, and you are going to give some values. You are not going to every time you are going to create the same set of terraform.tf files, or you are not going to create same set of files for the different environment. You just give input value. So the model going to call, and those value will get into that input, and based on that it will going to create that particular environment. I hope you understand what is model. So let's what is that? Basically, it is a reusable one, and it is self-contained package of Terraform configurations. You can find lot of modules in the Terraform page, and the purpose of is complex infrastructure management. You can manage with this model more complex infrastructures. You can go for like a dev environment, staging environment, UAT, production. Same model you can use it, but you're going to just use, you're going to give the value. It can be more complex one, so you can easily use it. The code is going to reusable, and it is easily maintainable, and also you can easily scalable. By editing your model alone, you are going to give all the environment changes. Okay, so next, the usage is shared across multiple projects. You can create a model, and you can kept on your repository. So the team in your team or project, any other project people also, they can able to access that model if you give the access for that particular directory. Then this is like you're going to give the input values, and you can get from the output values also. You can create some resources. So let's dive into the concept. So I have like a model. So you can see here, I have the directory. Here I have main, output, and provider variable files. Except from this, you can see that I have one more directory inside this module directory. So this is a separate directory. So this is going to be act as a module, which means it is a single file. It is going to be act as a module. And you can see this in this module I have created for S3 static website. I'm going to create one AWS S3 static website. I have written the module here. So this is the main file, and this is the variable file. What it is going to create? It is going to create one of the resource called AWS S3 bucket. Here I given the bucket name, which is going to be the variable, and tags also going to be the variable, and it is going to generate the output file. So from this output file, you can get ARN name, domain, and endpoint, everything. And this is the variables. Those are two variables. I have only declared two variables in this model. So what you can do, you can create this model, and it can be pushed into your Bitbucket or github. Anything you can push it to your repository. So once you can push it, you can also use with the URL. Else, if you are using with your local laptop, you can test like this. Initially, you can create this model, and you this is my customized files, what I need based on that. Here I have the main file. So in this main file, when you return the model, you have to start with the model. You should not start with something. You have to start with the model. Under the quotation, you can give any your user friendly name. And then source, you have to define the source, which means where you are getting from this model. I'm getting from this model from my local laptop itself. That's why I have given like a dot, and then before that I have the modules. So after that, inside this model, I have AWS S3 website bucket. So this is inside this directory. I have one more directory called this one. So here I have this many files. So this is my model which I'm going to be called. So I have defined it as a source, and I have given the bucket name and the tags. So here I have given the in the main file, you can see this is the main file. And then here you can see the output and provider and variable files. So you should declare whatever you are given in this. You should not declare other than inside this model. If you have any other variables, you should not declare. So if you declare this variables only, it will accept. If you define some more variables here, it won't say, it will say this is not declared already. So you should declare the same what is already with this model. So here I have the tags and S3 bucket and the region. These are my three variables I have declared. So here what I'm going to do, I just customized all things whatever I need based on my dev environment. I'm going to give the plan. You can see that once I give the plan, it is going to show my based on my input. You can see here. So it will generate the things like it's going to add only one, which is a AWS S3 bucket. And this is based on my details, whatever I have given. I have added the tags already. You can see here the tags I have defined here. And this is a type of map of string. And this is the default bucket name which I have given. So it will generate the bucket name as this one. If I change this one again, it will generate one more resource. You can reuse it, this model. So you are not going to write this model already. Someone may have written. You can take from that and you can use it, or you can return this and you can keep it in your repository so that everyone can fetch from that, and they can also use it. And this like the model will work. This video is like how the model will work. And one of the example I have shown, this is the main agenda of this video. And I believe that this is understandable and you can find this useful. If you find this video is useful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow for the more videos, and share your comments in the comment section, so it will be improved to make a lot of videos better and better. Thanks for watching the video.